Yeah, that one.
Gotcha.
All right.
This guy over here throwing games.
7 shades faster. Coming back to you guys. Well, coming to you guys with our first video.
It's not even up yet. Somebody's been sleeping on the uploads.
It goes for both of us.
It's
you
all
have
good.
a camera too.
Anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the Moroso.
Oil pan on my GSR.
Got to change the studs first. We got a stud extractor, so it should be fairly quick. We got to make sure that there's enough clearance between the oil pan and the oil pickup tube so that I can feed enough oil into the head.
It should. My OEM oil pan dented up, so it's not receiving oil pressure. So I got to put a windage tray on and the new oil pan. So here's a brand new Moroso oil pan. I got this. I have the stud kit here and Velcro oil pan gasket. So we're gonna unbox these real quick and get it put on. Comes with a sticker. Comes with something inside the oil pan. Make sure you remove that so it's not in your oil pan. So what I read online is you want to get some Teflon tape and put it around this bolt and where your oil feed line will go if you're going boost. So you want to wrap this up and wrap this up because I heard it leaks. So this is the oil pan. Here we have the stud kit that's about to go on now. Documentation. So here's the stud kit. Oil pan. This thing is kind of heavy. It's good weight for that. Yeah. And then you got the oil pan gasket. Everybody knows what the oil pan gasket looks like. If not, show you one time. Wow, I don't like this kind. Okay, but we got this one. Now we know how this goes. Oops. Alright. There's only one way to put it on. There you go.
How you gonna learn?
So we might get a first prime and start tonight. We'll see if the oil pressure light goes out. I took this engine out 2 times in this car. I had to rebuild it once because the guy I originally bought the car from said he rebuilt the engine and he didn't do it right. He built it backwards. So, rebuilt the engine. For some reason the car wasn't getting oil pressure. I starved the head. Had to get another head.
Tell them what happened to the head.
It starved. The cams was digging into the head. I actually have the head. I'll show you guys. I'll show you, I'll insert a picture, I'll show you guys. Here, I'll do that. It starved it bad, like real bad. So I bought another head, a GSR head, and put that one on. And where we at now, replacing the oil pan. I'm hoping that this solves the problem. And I hope that weird problem where it was cutting off on us goes away too, but we'll have to see. I don't want no leaks. Appreciate you, my brother. What you looking for?
Filling it up, man.
Yeah, we're gonna fill it up tonight. That type of fill up. I suck at putting rubbers on.
Don't be there.
Wow.
Hey.
Alright, go put the studs on there.
No babies.
Yeah, baby.
I'll take it one time. Life ruined. Life ruined.
Where's the shove it?
What we call a scotoma. Something that's right in front of you that you can't see. Does this give you an added oil capacity?
Yeah. Oh, compare it. What'd I say, bro?
Be smart. Do a comparison.
Ew. Ew.
Oh, it's because brake comes in there.
Oh. So you want to hold yours up?
Sure, I'll hold it clean.
So it looks like it's about it looks bigger. Yeah, it's bigger.
Yeah,
It's bigger.
because it doesn't have to dip.
So
Hopefully he doesn't have to raise his car up too much.
that'll be another video. Record. Okay. Draining the oil.
Drain the oil. Doing on bottom.
So many spider webs. This car's been sitting.
I just look like I'm doing something. This is ridiculous.
Ooh,
Yo,
ridiculous.
you should see all this spider web.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Retarded.
I'm
That's
a-
how long it's been since you started this thing.
Was that from the tarp? Did it send on the tarp?
I don't know what it's from, but they were like, this is home.
For
Ain't nobody
real.
here? Don't nobody start this car? This is home.
Oh no!
What?
There's antifreeze in here. You gotta be kidding me.
You ain't never drained it. From the first time, right?
Antifreeze should not be in here.
What you do wrong?
Nothing. Oh.
Well, we didn't use antifreeze.
What's it doing that?
Because you didn't open the vent. There's a vent in the back. There you go.
No, there's antifreeze.
I say it was only a little bit.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
It wasn't.
I just saw it. I watched you pull the drain plug out. It was only a little bit. Calm down.
What is that?
What is what?
In the corner.
A spider?
I don't know. Damn it.
Well, we'll pull it out and see what's going on. Those are tins?
Yeah, and we gotta drop the header.
Oh shit. This did it again.
God dang it.
So proud of him. I'm gonna get while he's doing that, I'm gonna get on the headers and drop them so we can drop the oil pan. I believe they're size 12.
And then you just tap the focus. Gotcha.
Yep. Go ahead, E. Put your hand all in the spider webs.
Damn it, man.
At least it's not milky. You'll be alright.
You said milky?
Yeah. Which means it just fell in there. It didn't run whether it on the nursery. Should have just put the B20 in there and called it a day.
That's what everybody says, but I'm not giving up on the GSR build. Never give up.
You got a magnetic tray? Another one?
Nope, not free. Next time I go to the store.
Get it, boy. Get it, boy.
And we're gonna put it on the cow, or are you gonna just?
Stop complaining. Get with the head bolt. I mean the oil pan. I don't need you up here. Get with the oil pan bolts.
You gotta drop it first.
Bro, you can loosen what you can get to. Are you still recording?
Yes.
Okay. See, that's the raw stuff I'm saying we need to. Stupid.
I'll be so weak if he is though. You hear it? Stop running. Yo, what is that? Oh! Oh!
What are those?
Please tell me that's all the bolts. Come on, come on. Oh! Where'd it go? I can't do it, you crawlies. Stop me. Might make me hard.
Oh!
Gay! Yes, it's down. Take the oil pan.
Can you record right?
Ew. Yeah, I can record.
It's not even that bad though, Isaiah, for real. Where's the pickup tube?
Right here. This is coming off because I'm gonna clean it.
Got the baby right here, baby. Got the oil pan right here. It took like 10 minutes. Alright, I'm throwing this in trash.
I didn't see no metal, so that's good.
You got sludge in there, bro.
Do I?
Yeah.
I didn't clean it up good enough when I first got it. Oh my gosh! It feels like something's crawling in my ear.
Your hair. It's your hair. Because you're pairing.
Go underneath and look at it. That car needs to be like driven really fast.
I don't think GSR is. Because you don't have a place for your windows tray. I don't think you need a windows tray.
JDM one. I better, because I feel like $50 on that thing.
Yo,
Come with one.
your oil pickup screen is bent.
You said bent?
Yeah.
How?
Didn't you look at the end of it?
Hold on.
Oh, it's fine. You don't have a screen though, or is it way back up in there?
No.
It is milky.
You guys milky?
Yeah.
So the head gasket didn't seat right.
It is. It's just probably old.
The head gasket?
No, the from when we lifted the head. All right, bro, get to work. Where's the window tray? It's clean. I give you that.
What, the motor?
Yeah.
Like putting it up there?
Yes.
So your 2 holes on the window tray is going to be here for the pickup. Okay? And then you're going to put the bolt here. I'm going to put one on one side. And I'm going to do the other side in a minute. Gotta get nice guy on eBay gave me bolts. Charged me extra for it though. Oh, what's cool. Oh, my thumb still hurts. Any day now, come on. So you gotta do the back side. Are you able to hand me a nut?
I've got 2.
Not that. Another bolt. Thanks.
Sorry about the speed of the channel. We're just getting started, trying to figure ourselves out.
There should be another bolt and a nut.
Losing daylight.
Hey, we got all the lights in the world.
We're almost done. This is amazing.
Oh, my hand's next to that spider. Oh, it don't matter. You can watch.
He's way over there.
You can watch, buddy. Can I see the gun? Slowly put it on with the gun and then hand tighten it.
That makes no sense.
What did I say?
Slowly put it on with the gun and then hand tighten it.
Yeah, you don't want to overdo it.
My brother is a wimp when it comes to in my philosophy, power tools are supposed to be an extension of your hand. You're supposed to have a feeling of how much torque or how much there you go. That's well over 8 pounds.
You just stick that mosquitoes. Alright, so I got the start extractor tool here, right? I'm gonna take all the studs out. I got extended studs at E. Guess what?
What?
You're right, and then you're wrong.
Why?
Because they did come with, some of them, like 4 of them came with hex, but the rest don't have it. So
Hey, that's one.
oh my god.
That gun stinks, man.
It's brand new. I never used it for him.
They're all trapped to the light.
Mosquitoes.
How does it go?
Now, pause for a brief intermission.
This is what I'm doing right here, is adding in studs. You get an Allen key and mosquitoes.
I got you.
Damn mosquitoes.
Put them in just like this. Make sure they're lined up. Oh, they love this light. We should have put this in the garage. All right, we'll be back when the oil pan is getting put on.
Moroso is looking mighty nice. Oil pan is on. Putting the nuts on. How many studs are you missing?
Quite a bit.
Okay, so they're all right here.
Can I get one more nut? Oh my gosh.
Shannon look nice. Her arm look a little cut up, Shannon.
Yeah, Shannon Diesel.
Yeah, she like a little, like she was lifting some weights.
Yo, I had her right in the gym, man. For real.
Look a little cut up. Like Shannon, like.
And now all she does is run. Like, for like 30 minutes. I was like, babe, if you trying to gain weight or trying to look right, all you ain't doing nothing but about to look anorexic. That's like the formula to look anorexic.
I mean, her thighs will be like, you know what I'm saying?
She's getting her Angela Bassett on.
No, man, I don't know what she doing. Big old Davy long legs, yo. What, the whole the light?
Yeah, the light should have went out by now.
No?
Yeah, it should have.
There's no ECU to register to tell it that to go out.
Oh, okay. Now you go.
So, yeah. So what's going on is we put the oil pan on. We thought it wasn't receiving oil pressure because of either a bent, it's out of focus. Either of still out of focus. Tap my face. All right. Either out of a
Boy, if you don't...
a bent oil pan or a dirty pickup tube. We changed the oil pan, cleaned the pickup tube. It's a GSR, it's a JDM GSR, not receiving oil pressure. So you guys let me know down in the comments what it could be. I'll start it up for you guys. It runs, it's just not receiving oil pressure and it's not sending oil to the head.
And there's an exhaust leak.
The exhaust leak could get
Well,
fixed.
they're gonna be like, oh, it's running rough.
It's an exhaust leak. It's a two-piece header. I have a one-piece. Needs to be welded, but all right, you could. Sand it, sand it, sand it.
Send it, na send it, na. Wasted.
Ready? Is it in focus?
Yeah.
She lives. She just ain't juicy. She just ain't juicy. So she ain't getting no oil to the stinks. No oil to the head. Not receiving any oil pressure. I'm gonna ask around, and if anybody sees this, please comment if you know about GSRs and their little weird problems, or JDM GSRs. I mean, I'm still not in camera, but you know what I'm gonna do?
What do you owe you some lunch money?
No, you know what I'm gonna do?
Huh?
You said what?
He owe you some lunch money?
Nah, I'm just playing with it.
Oh, okay. Being a bully.
You
He ain't got no hands or arms.
Huh?
He ain't got no arms or legs, man. Being a bully.